When people don't have clarity, they can't function. It causes a threat response. So I know that there's a lot of things I want and I expect people to do. So it was my duty to have the clarity. So every station in our pharmacy has a list right beside it that tells you what you're expected to do in the morning, what you're expected to do in the afternoon, what you're expected to do at closing, what report you're responsible for, so everyone is able to do their job. We wanted to make sure people know why they're here. So for the mission statement to be in a binder, it doesn't remind people as to why we're here and why we're doing business. When people will get their paycheck, monthly meetings, we close, have dinner, talk about what was good last month, what wasn't good, what can we focus on? Yes, our daily goals. So just because it's slow doesn't mean you slow down your momentum. You work ahead. The prioritizing, if it's not important right now, then someone will go and help someone else that's behind on their task. And the momentum, you can say they're always happy and they keep it going. Cleaning. Who's responsible to clean? What does it mean to clean? Birthdays are very important to us. Our techs rotate Saturdays, procedure to remove expired drugs. The out-of-date / inventory for the month, they'll cycle count those bays that you're responsible. So we've made them smaller. So you have a whole month to really cycle count a section. So every day you can look at 2-3 drugs. Before they had expectations and they had clear goals, they needed me every minute, every hour, every day. You couldn't take a day off. You couldn't be on vacation because you were that person that says, okay, now do this, now do that. And that's exhausting. It really is. So.